If you run a cleaning business, you've probably searched for a CRM at some point, and what you'll find is a long list of platforms. Some are too generic, some are built for massive teams, and most of them still leave you doing the hard stuff manually. The truth is, most CRMs weren't built with cleaning businesses in mind. That's why my pick, hands down, is Go High Level. But not just the base platform. I'm talking about a version that's already customized and ready for your business to use. At WebI, we took Go High Level and built a complete system on top of it, made specifically for cleaning business owners. It includes everything you need to run your business without chasing leads or manually confirming appointments, lead capture pages, automated quotes and follow-ups, job reminders, review requests, and a CRM pipeline that keeps everything organized, and even when you're out cleaning. If you want the same system other cleaning pros are already using to run smoother, book more jobs, and follow up automatically, click the link in the description and check out the WebIE system for Go High Level.